Hi, this is Cheryl St.Pierre with another package opening session for you. And this is for Beebeecraft. So the first thing I'm pulling out, and these are so pretty. These are handmade bright glazed porcelain, and they're pink. They have an AB color plate. They're 7 by 6 with a 2.5 millimeter hole. And this is a 26.38 strand. So there's it's 16 inches. Oh no, okay, I read that wrong. It's about 26 to 27 inches long, and they say that there's between 67 and about 120 beads. So it's really long. So it's like a double strand, basically. And I don't know if you can catch this pretty pink on there. It's got that rainbowy finish on it, and I have a special project in mind for these for a tutorial, so look forward to that. I would think that tutorial will be in about a week, and let's move on to the next item in here. Oh, I got myself another package of my Yuki beads, and this is a pretty pink. I don't know if you can, it's kind of, they're really shiny, almost a metallic type look to them. They're really pretty. They look like these ones aren't formed like my last package. It looks like they're cut. It's got a bit of an edge to them. Some of them are formed and some of them are cut. These look to be cut, but they're really pretty. And the links are going to be in the description for everything. Let's see, they're cylinder shaped, Japanese seed beads, 11/0, Duracoat, semi-frosted, silver lined, dyed pink parfait. They're 1.3 by 1.6 millimeter, and the hole is 0.8. And it says there's supposed to be about 2,000 beads in this one little package. 2,000. You think about that. That's a lot. And the next package is, it says that it's natural tiger eye, but it's also been dyed to be pink because it's not, the dye part isn't natural, because that's not a natural color for tiger eye, this bright fuchsia pink. Aren't they pretty? And then they're hand cut. Oh, I like that. Okay, so there are, it's called medium violet red, and they're about 5.5 to 6 by 5 to 6 millimeters. The holes are 0.8 millimeters, and they say that there's approximately 64 to 66 pieces per strand. And the strand is about 15.3 inches long, which is 39 centimeters. So I think I have a project in mind for that. Offhand, my brain's going blank. I know I had a project. Yes, I had a project. Okay, so that would be the following tutorial. Yes, yeah, now I remember what it was. Okay, and the last thing in my package is these are end beads, faceted, natural, dragon vein agate beads that are dyed in different colors, which, in order to be dragon vein, that means they've been heated to crackle, and then the dye shows it off. Now, these ones are fairly pale, but it gives it a pastel-y kind of color. And let's see, these are 10 millimeters with a 1.5 millimeter hole. And it's about 38 pieces a strand. And the strand is about 14 inches long, which is about 35 centimeters. So there they are. I mean, they're They've got their inclusions, but that's what agate does, right? And these are kind of opaque looking, so you can see through them, which, yeah, love that in agate. I don't have a project for these in mind yet, so I'm not sure what they will turn into yet. We'll figure out something. Okay, well, thank you for joining me in this tutorial. And now I just wanted to remind you that if you have your own channel and you have at least 100 subscribers, you too can do the package opening thing that I'm doing here. I mean, they sell so much variety in things that it doesn't have to be jewelry making. It could be other things. So you should take a look at their store and see if you can think of things that you could do tutorials for. You know, just a simple, quick tutorial. It doesn't have to be as in-depth as some of mine. Mine are pretty in-depth. It could be just a quickie tutorial where you're using some of their stuff. And I'm going to have the link where you can apply to be one of the package openers, and so it's a lot of fun, and you might want to join me with doing this. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for joining me. God bless, and we will see you in the next one. Bye for now.